Do you find yourself creating the same buttons, cards, or navigation bars over and over again? Components can save you a lot of time and help keep every design consistent. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use components in Penpot in 2026, from creating your first component to reusing and updating it across your projects. Start by signing into your Penpot account and opening an existing project or create a new one. Then open the design file where you want to create reusable components. Select a design element that you'll use multiple times, such as a button, navigation bar, card, or icon. Once it's selected, use the Component Creation option to turn that design into a reusable component. Now open the Assets or Components panel and drag your new component onto the canvas whenever you need it. Instead of designing the same element again, simply reuse the existing component throughout your project. If you need to update the design, edit the original component instead of changing each copy individually. So you can adjust the color, typography, spacing, or shape, and those changes can be reflected wherever the component is used. As your project grows, organize your components into clear categories. Group similar elements together, give them descriptive names, and keep your Assets panel tidy. This makes finding the right component much faster and keeps your workflow organized. Once you've built a strong component library, you can reuse those elements in future designs. This helps you create consistent interfaces, reduce repetitive work, and speed up your overall design process. And that's it. You've learned how to use components in Penpot in 2026. With a well-organized component library, you'll spend less time repeating tasks and more time creating great designs. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.